All right, good day, folks. Welcome to today's reaction points for Tuesday, October 21st, 2025. Let's break down the action on the S&P. Let's start here at the transition point from Euro to the pre-New York session. Again, we define that as the 7 a.m. Central, and it's been very reliable, as you've seen in video after video. Here is the sweep right at the transition zone. There's some scalp opportunities here. What we're looking for is a divergence signal. So we've got new highs here and a divergence signal. There's our trend line break that gets us short around 67.76. We also have a 3S code signal that hits target as well, right back to midnight open. Then it's kind of a chop fest here. We notice we come back to the Euro high. We have some indecision printing here with some further scalps. And then we had right here, which is the 30-minute opening range. It's the darker green box that you can hopefully see. And down below, this big black dark line, that is going to represent a prior week high. You'll notice the stickiness really all throughout the European session. You can see the stickiness all throughout the European session. We get a quick reaction here in about the first 20 minutes of trading. We flush back lower. We're not interested in this because we know that we have this dotted line below that represents the Euro low. So just like we came and worked the Euro high here, we're expecting, if we're going to come down here, we're expecting the market to take out the Euro low, sweep that. That's exactly what we got. Double divergence buy signals here, 3S code buy as well. And then we're off and up to the races. We come back down again after the first hour of trading, revisit back to the Euro session low again, and then we get a nice rip to the upside. So to the upside, we know the Euro highs have already been taken. What we haven't taken or seen yet, the blue line here, are the Asia highs. So we're not trying to short these trying to short the trade here, although we know it's a sticky level prior to close. We're expecting the market to come revisit the Asia highs. You can see the reversals printing right here. Divergent sell signal there. Nice trade to the downside. Back to the New York and midnight open, which are the purple lines. Okay. Then we get into the kind of lunchtime period. I'm not really interested in doing anything there. And we come back to the desk here around 12:30, 1 p.m. Central. Just you can see why price is reacting where it is here at prior day close, New York midnight open, and then we revisit prior day highs here, and then we just barely tap Asia highs once yet again, and then it's been just kind of choppy here as we move into the last 45 minutes or so of the day. So we have new divergence buy signals. If we're going to hold right here, this is prior day close. If we do hold right here, we would likely see 67.83s again, which is going to be a tap back to that prior day high to the downside, 67.74. So you got about we have about 4 points to the upside and about 5 points or so to the downside that have been kind of stuck in that range for the day. Let's quickly look at crude oil. Crude oil, we had our classic sweep there, taking out the Euro highs, pre-market, nice trade to the downside. Then we slide all the way lower. We take out the Euro lows, the Asia lows, and then we get a reversal divergence buy, 3S code buy, and that ended up being the low of the day. I'm not real sure what the spike was here as I was out of pocket, but you can see the market has really done much of nothing through the remainder of the day. So again, just need one or two high probability, low hanging fruit trades for the day. If you like this video, make sure to give it a thumbs up, a like, subscribe. And if you're interested in discussing this strategy and this indicator set, feel free to book a call with us by going to t2markets.com, and we'll see you on the next update.